Hello again, Jess and Cliff here, and today's topic is gas cooktops. They're fantastic for cooking, but how about cleaning? Let's dive in. Rule number 1, let it cool down. Safety first, right Cliff? For the burner caps and heads, hot soapy water is your go-to. And for stubborn stains, a plastic bristle brush is gonna be your hero. Just be gentle with those electrodes, they're sensitive. Burner grates, you've got options. Dishwasher, hand wash, or even oven self-clean cycle. Just remember to remove the rubber bumpers and check the owner's manual first. Need more details? The Use and Care manual has you covered. Putting the grates back, some models have really great support bumpers. If they're missing or damaged, just call 1-800-GE-CARES. Burner caps can also enjoy a dishwasher spa day or wash them in hot soapy water. Just make sure all parts are back in place before operating. Knobs looking grimy? It happens. Into the dishwasher they go, or give them a good hand wash. Just make sure they are dry inside and in the off position before you put them back on. Got a griddle? Clean cast iron griddles with a stiff brush and hot water. Avoid harsh detergents, and after rinsing, pre-season with cooking oil. And remember, no dishwasher for the griddle. With these tips, your gas cooktop will be gleaming in no time. Happy cleaning!